So excited to show you a brand new listing in Lorette, Manitoba. This is 30 Seine Avenue, and this home has been tastefully redecorated up and down. It sits on a maturely treed lot. You basically have your own private forest in the backyard. This home has 5 bedrooms, 3 full bathrooms, fully finished basement, insulated, heated attached garage, sunroom in the back. So many features that you do not want to miss. You got to see this one before it's gone.